Hi, welcome. Before this video starts, I just want to explain some things. I'm working on a Roguevania game called Betrayed Realm. I have already written the most important parts of the story, and my main focus currently is to work on making this game as fun as possible, while I'm currently only in the process of prototyping. This video is structured poorly and I will try to do my best in the next video, where I will go more to the details of what this game is gonna be. That is the reason why this video is called Devlog 0. With that said, let's start the actual video. Hi, welcome to my first devlog. I've been working on this game for 6 weeks. I managed to code most of the main stuff, and so I figured, well, this is the best time to start devlog. Player can move, has a dash, weapons, and can travel to new rooms. Currently there are only 3 types of rooms. The first is a start room, which is the room I'm currently in. Then there is combat room, where you have enemy who follows you, shoots you and such. He isn't really finished yet, but I've already managed to code pathfinding for him. It's running on A-star algorithm and I'm really proud of it. It's quite optimized and it's working really well. You can see here with gizmos enabled. So yeah, let's just kill him quickly. So, this is the third type of room, which I for now call camping room. I'll probably change it later. Here you have a tent, and when you interact with it, it heals you for 2 HP. You can only interact with it once, and then you can leave the room. And of course you can do it again and again. That's current state of the game. I also will have a menu where you can quit and restart. So the first thing I have done is that I drew better obstacles. I didn't like the boxes because they were just placeholder art from the day one. I also coded this script, I call it object transparency. It is quite simple and works pretty well. It also works with enemies, so that's great. It was a bit more difficult to write than I originally guessed. I'll show the script. So here is the script. As you can see, it got a bit more complicated than I originally guessed. It is quite easy to implement. All I have to do is just add the script to some object, define the size and starting point. Here is the tent. When I go behind it, it turns transparent. When I go away, it's normal. It works very well and it's quite easy to implement, so I'm really happy. Since the last clip I zoomed out the camera, I think this looks much better. I also changed the design of the walls. For now it is temporary, but it works pretty well. The main goal of this devlog was to prototype this basic enemy. He can follow player, avoid obstacles and shoot. And finally, because this didn't work before, player can interrupt his attacks, which makes them possible to fight without taking damage, which was before really difficult.